Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. Today I will introduce our solution for the another type of yoke. If your yoke remote controller the same as this one, you are lucky. This yoke model can be controlled by the smart thermostat. Just this. This remote controller connect with the internet with 5 wire cables. Just look like this. Okay, it can be controlled. Let me show how it can be controlled. Now the smart thermostat is off. If we open the remote controller, we can see it will soon be off auto. Okay, now we turn on the small thermostat in fan mode. We can see the original thermostat is turned on fan mode. Now if we turn it off, it will turn on again. Okay, we see it will turn again. So it's fan low, it's fan medium, and it's fan high. It is a cool model in high fan and a cool model in medium fan and a cool model in low fan. Okay, and it is a heat model. Okay, it is in heat model, in low fan speed, medium fan speed, and high fan speed. There's a E1, ignore it because it is a compressor. With our demo PCB do not connect the outdoor unit, so there will E1 error code on the screen. Just ignore it. This solution is very simple. We just same before. We connect the we offer the cable from our adapter to the yoke indoor unit. So it will be easy for you to install. Just do not need to change anything. That's all. Thank you.